fix Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 stuck in checking for updates issue on Windows. 1. Run the game as administrator. Like this. 2. Scan and repair your game files. 2.1. For Steam users, 2.2. Windows users, 3. Install all Windows updates. 4. Update your network driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Move the community folder to a different location. 5.1 Microsoft Store version, C:\users\your username \appdata \local /packages /Microsoft.FlightSimulator_8WKEB3D8BBWE /local cache /packages 5.2 Steam version, appdata /roaming /Microsoft Flight Simulator /packages 5.3 Retail disk version, C:\users/your username \appdata /local /MSFS packages, restart Microsoft Flight Simulator. 6. Check your security software, ensure your app allow Microsoft Flight Simulator through its settings. 7. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. 8. Do a clean install, remove then reinstall Microsoft Flight Simulator.